The effectiveness of the justice system's response to people experiencing serious mental health issues. That's the goal of the Collier Coalition for Healthy Minds, new behavioral health training for justice professionals. This 8-hour course is modeled after the successful crisis intervention training for law enforcement officers. Wake News reporter Michelle Alvarez joins us live from the Collier County Courthouse. And Michelle, why is this training just now being introduced?
There was actually a training like this specifically for members of the justice system more than 10 years ago. I'm told there was a waiting list this time around and some people had to be turned away, but they plan on having more sessions through next year. A new behavioral health training targeted to judges, attorneys, probation officers, investigators, case managers, and other justice personnel.
It's very difficult to get all of them into a 40-hour training, as you can imagine, with their schedules and everything else.
That trauma is not yours to keep.
The course educates people in the causes and treatment of behavioral health disorders and includes topics on trauma and resiliency, de-escalation, and effective communication.
Going over de-escalation, verbal de-escalation, especially when you're trying to work with somebody and you're seeing something that doesn't seem that they're not focusing on what's going on right then and there in the courtroom or as they're talking to their attorney or anybody else. How do we de-escalate that situation?
Lieutenant Leslie Weidenhammer is chief of the Collier County Sheriff's Office Mental Health Bureau. She said this training will help people who work in the court system.
At any given moment in any given county jail or state prison, you can expect 60 to 70% of the inmates to be dealing with one or more behavioral health disorders.
Janice Martin is a presiding judge for the Collier Drug Court program and says the training benefits the whole community.
The reality is that all of us who work here every day, whether we realize it or not, we are serving people who have some special needs. And if we become aware of that and we can craft appropriate responses to that, we can improve the outcomes, which benefits the whole community.
And this was all possible thanks to a collaboration with the David Lawrence Center, the Collier County Sheriff's Office, the court system, and several other area professionals who volunteered their time. I'm also told they did this with basically no money and are offering it for free to those who sign up. I'm live in Collier County, Michelle Alvarez, Wink News.